edition tack. Comes straight from Japan. Oh, what is this? Oh, no key. Let me press button. Oh! Oh! I literally make myself laugh, guys. You guys can choose to laugh with me or without me. And don't think I'm making fun of Asians. I actually love Asian people. I have a lot of Asian friends. The voice is just hella funny to me. How we doing, guys? How we doing? I'm gonna let this thing warm up a little bit. Let my coolant tip get to about like 130 and we can head out of this joint. But yeah, man, it's day 2 with the JRZ coils. And we here, Best Tire Shop. About to get that young alignment. It's actually not too off, but definitely need to get this thing into spec. All right, so I heard somewhere floating around over here, there's a twin. People keep sending it to me on Instagram like, bro, is this you? It's not me. It's literally someone has same color GTR, same year, same spec Nismo, everything. So let's go find this car. Trying to see if I smell carbon fiber. Oh shit, there really is. Yo. What? Damn. Sick ass food. So in 2017, there was only, I believe, 74 Nismos actually made. And in this color, super silver metallic, there was only 24 in 2017 in US. Not worldwide, but in US. Sick. I guess I have a twin. The drop, perfect. Alright, so finally tomorrow I have someone taking care of these dents for me. We have one right here, and this nasty one right here. So after talking to a few of my boys and just looking at it a lot, I'm 90% sure that this isn't the OEM bumper. Yeah, it's still all carbon, pretty much same thing as OEM, but it's not OEM. Something probably happened and the guy didn't go through insurance or whatever, because obviously the whole thing is carbon fiber, so if you hit anything or anything hits you, it's gonna be like destroyed. So I mean, it could have been the most minor thing and, you know, never reported it. So yeah, pretty much got like scumbagged by the last owner. Like I said, he didn't tell me about any of these dents, like all this minor stuff. It's not horrible, but there's just a lot of little things. I'm real anal about my cars, and you know, especially something like this, like a car this expensive, like I want it to be almost perfect, you know? It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Eventually, I'm definitely gonna get this car repainted. I'm not planning on getting rid of this car anytime soon. I feel like I'm gonna at least have this car for 3 to 5 years. I don't plan to get rid of it, so my boy told me what I can do. This is like 2 individual pieces, so I could just buy this piece right here, you know, get that freshened up. I'm probably gonna do it when I paint the car. Even down here, you can notice it on the side. It's just like real wavy, like the fiberglass, whatever it is. Yeah, shit sucks, man. Spent all this damn money on a car and shitty ass owner. We've been hitting the dude up too and no replies, nothing, so he's a scumbag, but it's all good. Damn. Oh, yup. Low life now. I mean, it's cool. Everything is sitting nice. It's a 2.5 camber all the way around. Obviously, stock suspension, you can't really adjust that out. I think OEM is like 1.7-ish. We'll see how it does when I go full bolt-ons. Hopefully I don't have any spinning issues. If so, we might have to get a camber kit for it and pull some of the camber out. But I think it'll be alright. It looks good. I just hate that the damn wheels are so sunken in. Put weak ass offsets on nice ass wheels like this. It's all good. What's up, Doc? Spotted. Thanks, man. Man, Doc, you got a tummy on there? He was like, is that an ETR? Spotted everywhere. I'm such a normal person, bro. Like when I'm out, like I don't even think about like people knowing me or like none of that shit. Like, yeah, you know, I just don't carry myself like that. Like, oh, everybody knows who I am type shit. You know, I'm a human being, you know. If I get shot, if you get shot, chances are we're both gonna die, so. Yeah, I know you ain't honking at me. So it is Monday, I believe, what, 4 days until Christmas, and I haven't bought nobody nothing. You on the tube? What's up, Doc?
Day 2.
Guys, this dude just worked magic on this car. Absolutely killed it. Killed it. Completely gone. Wow. I don't even be knowing shit like that is possible. I know you guys seen those dents last night. Especially this one up here was nasty. It's like it was never there. Had 2 of them right here. 100% gone. Sheesh. I had one tiny one right here. He did such a good job, I can't even tell like where it was anymore. Oh, it was right here. Cause it still has a little nick, whatever hit it right there. But damn, my dog blessed me, bro. Yeah, you guys know since I bought this car, those dents were bothering me like crazy. Huge shout out to him. I'm gonna throw his Instagram down here. You guys can holler at him if you guys need some dent removal. Highly recommend. Super cool guy. It took him a few hours, but it's honestly like it never happened. Very nice. Just that makes the car look so much cleaner, not having those dents. So as far as right now, the car has 0 dents. I'm just gonna have to get, you know, all the imperfections and flaws fixed. It is what it is. Like I said, I was looking for this color for 5 months and I only had found 2. The other one had got sold, and this is pretty much the second one I found. So I just pulled the trigger blind buy. Like I wasn't gonna fly all the way to the East Coast to look at the car. I'm like, you know what, if it has imperfections, I'm not tripping, I'll fix them. I plan to keep this car for a very long time. So I'm really pissed about the rear bumper though, because the guy was acting like this car was just flawless, like nothing wrong with it. The only thing he told us that was wrong with the car was this. This is the only thing that he said was wrong with the car. This is the easiest fix ever. Literally, it's just the vinyl and that can like be buffed out. But bro, come on bro, he had all these dents. He wrapped the car, so he knew that this car had all these scratches. He knew that this rear bumper wasn't OEM. I'm just like, dog, what the? The rest of the car is good. It's really just this piece of the rear bumper that I want to replace later. But everything else checks. Everything else is cool. I'm always trying to drive in the slow lane so people don't see my dents over here, you know what I'm saying? So drop a thumbs up. It actually really does help the channel. Believe it or not, that simple little thumbs up. Even if you don't like the video, just drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to your boy, man, if you guys want that raw content. I'm never gonna bring you guys any clickbait shit. Fresh Kicks is gonna remain himself. 500K subs, 1 million subs, 10 million subs. No sugarcoat, no clickbait, no fake videos. It's all real around here. If I don't get you guys another video before Christmas, I hope everybody enjoys their Christmas with your families. Spend some time with your loved ones, man. You never know. Appreciate you guys for tuning in like always, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.